Hello and welcome. Today we are going to master one of the most common applications of algebra, work problems. Specifically, we will look at problems involving people or machines working together to finish a task, and why using the reciprocal of time is the key to solving them. The fundamental concept here is the rate of work. We often talk about how long something takes, like hours or minutes. But in math, it is much more useful to talk about how much of the job gets done in one unit of time. If we consider a complete job as the number 1, then the rate is simply 1 divided by the time taken. Let us visualize this. Imagine person A can finish a job in 2 hours. That means in 1 hour, they finish half of the job. Their rate is 1/2. Now imagine person B takes 4 hours. In 1 hour, they only finish 1/4 of the job. Their rate is 1/4. Comparing rates allows us to see who is faster mathematically. Here is the most critical rule: you cannot add times directly. If one person takes 2 hours and another takes 2 hours, they do not take 4 hours together. They would be faster. We must add their output, or their rates. By adding how much A does in an hour to how much B does in an hour, we find out how much they complete together in that same hour. This leads us to the universal work equation. 1 over the time of person A plus 1 over the time of person B equals 1 over the total time. This formula works because we are summing up their individual contributions to find the collective speed. Let us try a classic example. Alice can paint a room in 4 hours. Bob is a bit slower. He takes 6 hours to paint the same room. The question is, if they both start painting at the same time, how long will it take to finish the room? First, we convert their times into rates. Alice takes 4 hours, so her rate is 1/4 of the room per hour. Bob takes 6 hours, so his rate is 1/6 of the room per hour. Now we have numbers we can work with. Next, we add these fractions, 1/4 plus 1/6. To add these, we need a common denominator, which is 12. 1/4 becomes 3/12 and 1/6 becomes 2/12. Adding them together gives us 5/12. This means together, they finish 5/12 of the room in a single hour. We are almost there. We know the combined rate is 5/12, but we want the time. Since rate equals 1 over time, time is simply the reciprocal of rate. We flip the fraction. 12 divided by 5 is 2.4 hours, so it takes them 2 hours and 24 minutes. Sometimes you might encounter a problem where work is being undone, like a leak in a tank. In this case, the inlet pipe does positive work, adding water. The outlet pipe does negative work, removing water. The formula changes slightly. You subtract the rate of the outlet pipe instead of adding it. To wrap up, remember these 4 points. First, always convert time to rate using 1 over time. Second, add these rates together for people working together. Third, subtract the rate if someone or something is hindering the work. And finally, flip your final answer back to get the total time. With these steps, you can solve any work problem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.